Thank you very much, Jenna. We want to help you when it comes to adding a little color to your home, so we brought in paint and color expert from Benjamin Moore. Sharon Grech joins us. Earlier on, we learned that Benjamin Moore has lemon sorbet as the color of the year, and we're going to talk a little bit about incorporating that into our house without having to redo the entire place.
Yeah, you don't always have to, and there's lots of great, simple ways that you can incorporate color. Any of the trend colors that sometimes you don't even want on the wall, but you want a little bit of it.
Yeah.
Stenciling, we looked at the stenciled backsplash, great opportunity. Painting furniture is another great thing as we start to get into the garage sale time of year.
Yep.
Pick something up, paint it, bring it into your house, gives it a totally new look, updates it.
And very inexpensive. We said this earlier. You know, you're re-bricking something, doing that copper tile that everybody, backsplash everybody likes.
That's a big investment.
Yeah.
So you might want to do something temporarily while you're waiting. But with stenciling, I think this is a really great way to bring in color. And I'm going to stencil just on a canvas, so we're going to sort of make our own artwork. But certainly you can stencil on your walls, and we had lots of great examples of that.
Yeah.
So here you can see that this is a well-used stencil. The chevron pattern's very on trend as well, like the large scale patterns. So here I used Marblehead Gold, which we'll take a look at after. But right now I'm going to use Antiguan Sky. And I'm using Benjamin Moore's Aura in a matte finish, so it's not going to be super shiny. And what you do with your stencil first, which I didn't show because I didn't want to spray everybody in the studio, but I used a low-tack spray adhesive on the back. And that is especially important when you're doing it on your walls because you need your stencil to stay attached to the wall.
Right. Got to put it where it stays. Got to keep it where
it's going to stay.
Yep.
It's not going to move. And you can see I like using a high-density foam roller, so you can actually get the paint on nicely. You have a lot of control over it. And then I'm just covering. Oops. Oh, I got your chair and your table.
No worries. Actually, that part looks even better now.
Okay, I'll paint the whole thing by the end of the show. We'll have it all in Antiguan Sky. So I'm going to pull the stencil off, and you can see I wasn't even that careful, and look how great it looks. I'm going to throw this down here.
No fuss, no muss.
No fuss, no muss, and you've got a really nice chevron pattern.
Very nice. You called this Antiguan Sky, and it's one of the 20 that Benjamin Moore has picked for this season.
Yes, it's a great minty green with a little bit of blue. It's like that beach glass color that we were talking about. So if we want to bring it over to our little living room set here, and then we can see, if you don't mind holding it, but I hope you don't end up with Antiguan Sky on your suit.
I will clash, but I take
it might clash.
So you've done the exact same thing earlier.
Exact same thing earlier. So it's dried. I used Marblehead Gold, which really incorporates that stronger yellow, which is again one of the trend colors for 2013. But you can see how Antiguan Sky looks fantastic against the lemon sorbet as well. We've got that in the cushions. Some great furniture from IKEA. You know you're going to get color when you go to IKEA,
That's
which
the one
is great.
thing for sure. So lemon sorbet is our wall there.
Yes.
And then we've tied in a bunch of other colors with it. Yes. Where do I start though? Do I start by going, okay, this wall's going to be lemon sorbet, or do I start with my plum or my pears? Do I start with my carpet?
That's a really good question, actually. That's what everybody's asking all the time. And what you want to do is pick something that's either already in the room or that's going to be staying in the room. So in this case, that rug, it has a lot of those colors in there. So we're able to find the accents in the yellow and the beach glass color, the Antiguan Sky, and then we picked lemon sorbet to be a nice backdrop for all of that.
So it all ties in together.
It all ties in. 3 to 5 colors, you're good to go.
Is that my
That's kind of your magic number. Yeah, you don't really want to go more than 5. And you can see how we've got different values. We've got a darker gold, a lighter yellow. So those count as the same color. So you can cheat.
Okay, you can cheat.
You
and
can cheat a little
get
bit.
that 6th one in there. Hey, coming up, you're going to be hanging out with our friend Tracy in City Line.
Yes, I am on Thursday.
What are you guys going to be doing on Thursday?
I'm going to be showing kids' rooms. I've made over my daughter's room as well as some really great other kids' ideas.
Those can be tough because they not only got to look good, but they got to be durable as well.
They got to be durable.
You got to be able to take crayon off it. Hey, if you've got questions and you need some advice or you want to meet Sharon in person, all you got to do is go to breakfasttelevision.ca and you actually win yourself tickets to go see her at Fort Gibraltar. It's going to all happen on the April 24th, so it all goes on tomorrow, and that's a great opportunity to bring in my colors, to bring in my questions.
Bring in your cushions, bring in your sofas, or maybe not. Bring in your color questions.
Yeah, if you can't fit it in the trunk of the car, don't bring
Maybe
it.
not, exactly.
But a great opportunity to bring my sketches. You know, I've got ideas photographs from the room kind of stuff.
Absolutely.
That's your opportunity. We've got your tickets. Just go through breakfasttelevision.ca. All the information on Sharon. Want to take a seat?
Yeah, I think I should actually.
I would clash, so I won't.
I'll sit here. I make sure my scarf matches.
All the info's on. It does too.
I know.
On breakfasttelevision.ca. Going to take a break. Still plenty to come on BT.
Feel bad.